Today we're going to be checking out the FU Vision Covert pen. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be checking out the FU Vision Covert pen. Yes, FU Vision. I'm going to say FU Vision because it sounds funnier, but nonetheless, this is the pen. It is a little girthier than a typical pen. You're not going to notice that it is a Covert pen that actually has a camera on right there. You can't really see, it's super tiny. It does 1080p at 25 frames per second, despite what Amazon's description says. Okay, plus in the manual it says the audio is disabled, and that is incorrect because it does record audio. It says it has a 2-hour battery life, and that is incorrect. It's actually only 1.5. The manual states that it's upgradable to 128 gig, and that is also untrue. It only can do 16, and it's pre-installed in the device, so it cannot be removed. The speed of the memory card is only 8 megs a second, so transferring 16 gig will take about just over 30 minutes. Whew, that is slow as shit. So I think it's a great product. However, it doesn't deserve a 5-star rating because there is noise in the audio. You hear it? Alright, so what I did was, to demonstrate this product, I created a stand for this. I built it, custom, 3D printed product that actually holds the pen like so. So you can stick it on your desk and record anybody that walks into the room. If you were an executive and you wanted to record your office and see who actually comes in for like 2 hours, actually 1.5 hours, because that's all the battery can last, you could stick this on your desk and walk away and see what happens within the next 1.5 hours. I'm using the camera on the pen to record this, as well as the camera there, so you can see the difference between the flicker and the audio and such, because I want you to hear the difference between the two, because it's important. So I'm giving this the JoeteckTips 3-star rating because I do not think this deserves anything higher than that. It has some major flaws. It says, again, that's all I'm going to do, because it does work, it does do its thing, but I can't see it being useful on the body, because you would actually have a pocket here and you can stick the camera here. You're always moving around, so there's no image stabilization. It's just going to be a brutal task to actually have this working the way you want it to work. Okay, it's just not, because it's a pen, so you want it in your shirt pocket, but it could be on an angle. If it's not the right angle, it's just a real pen. That's why I built this stand. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.